Sophomore called for interference, so Sewanee is man up. What a chance here for the Tigers. If they can get a goal, they could bring us all square once again. I mean, the wind is blowing the football goalposts around. It is a major factor, as it has been for the duration of this game. There's the whistle to start play. Sewanee's man up, but they're down by 1. Maharis, Gregory, Root, Gregory has a spin. Nico Maharis has it. Nice effort by Devin Root to corral that pass. The wind starts to pick up. 26 seconds and counting. Sewanee, can they get it here? Phelps Thomas looking for a wraparound. Bouncer won't go with a loose ball. It's still on the ground. He's going to come away with it. 16 seconds, 15. Can Sewanee get it? They can. Gregory sets it up for Devin Root. It goes out of play. You hear the fans screaming. 9 seconds to go. The goalposts are wobbling. And that intense wind, we have a whistle. And there's the timeout for Oberlin with 9 seconds to go in the fourth quarter. My goodness, what a game we've had here today. And this is a non-conference game, but it's been intense. It's also been under very difficult circumstances with this wind advisory. It's a tough one for the game officials, just holding on to their equipment, their hat, their flags, etc. Debris flowing around. But it's been intense. 2 very good men's lacrosse teams battling here. So Sewanee has possession. There's only 9 seconds to go in the game. So Sewanee's going to get 1, maybe at most 2 shots, and you've got to go fast with it. And Oberlin knows that. And Oberlin with the opportunity with that timeout to set the defense. And you can feel the nervous energy. And as that wind keeps on whipping around. What a fun game this has been, particularly considering the conditions. 9 seconds to go, fourth quarter. Oberlin 7, Sewanee 6. And that'll be Charles Moran handling the ball from the X position behind the goal. Sewanee has to move fast. 9 seconds to go in the game. Can the Tigers tie it up? Moran, Maharis, it's in! It's a goal, we're tied! 3 seconds to go, fourth quarter.